In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Outlook password. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can update your credentials quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and going to Microsoft.com. This is the official Microsoft homepage, so it's a safe place to begin. At the top of the page, look for the All Microsoft menu. This menu lists Microsoft's products and services. Click it, then select Outlook to head to the Outlook experience in your browser. Next, click Sign In. If you're not already signed in, enter your account details as you normally would. Make sure the web address shows Microsoft.com or Outlook.com and that it's secured with HTTPS. If you're already signed in, you may go straight to your mailbox, which is fine. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner and click your profile icon. This might show your picture or your initials inside a small circle. From that menu, choose My Profile. This takes you to your account settings, where you can manage personal details and security. Now click Change Password. You may be asked to confirm your identity or re-enter your current password, depending on your security settings. Follow any on-screen prompts and then you'll see the fields to update your password. Create a strong new password that you haven't used before. Aim for something long and memorable to you, preferably a passphrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid obvious choices like names, birthdays, or common words. Type your new password in the first box and then re-enter it in the second box to confirm. Entering it twice helps prevent typos from locking you out. You'll also see an option to change your password every 72 days. If you want an extra layer of protection, check this box. Periodic password changes can limit the risk from old or exposed passwords, especially on shared or older devices. When everything looks good, click Save. Your password will update right away. Keep in mind, because Outlook is part of your Microsoft account, this change applies to other Microsoft services you use with the same login, like OneDrive or Office apps. You may need to sign in again on those apps and on any other devices where your account is connected. A quick tip: consider storing your new password in a trusted password manager so you can keep it secure and easily accessible. That's it. Your Microsoft Outlook password is now updated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.